Electives should be a fun-filled exploration of something that the students have not done before. It should help them to explore different ways of looking at spaces, different ways of looking at mediums, different ways of looking at their environment which surrounds them, and that is also one of the intents of elective program here.
इनिशियली जब ये कोर्स स्टार्ट हुआ तो हम लोग थोड़ा कंफ्यूज थे कि इसमें क्या करना है हम लोग को, बिकॉज फिल्म एज अ फिल्म स्टूडेंट इसमें हम लोग क्या सीखेंगे, ये हम लोग का सबसे बड़ा डाउट था. जब हमने फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट किया जो मेमोरी हाउस बनाना था, तब मतलब आपके मेमोरीज में जाके आपने जो भी घरों में आप रहे हैं और वहाँ की जो मेमोरीज है आपकी फैमिली के साथ हो, दोस्तों के साथ हो, जो भी है, तो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको एक घर बनाना था. तो ये असाइनमेंट करते करते पर्सनली मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि जो हम लोग फिल्म में सीखते हैं, फिल्म इज़ अबाउट कैरेक्टर्स एंड interaction of the characters with the space.
The entire course revolved around us retrospecting and going back to spaces that from our memory that we had long not visited. So it was nice. It was a stroll down memory lane, and it was nice to go back to incidents and houses, incidents and places that we have in our childhood that we now look in a completely different light, because now we are actually analyzing the space that we were in. This is my house from memory. This is the house I grew up in, and this is only the dining and the kitchen area of the entry house. It was an apartment, and the good thing about this was the roof was about 3 stories high, and it had a skylight. So it was a very nice space to just sit and enjoy, because there's a balcony that you can look. There's a view outside the window.
So this house is a typical Haveli in a small village in Rajasthan, which is close to Jodhpur. And my fondest memories here are my Dadi ji चूल्हे पे खाना बनाती थी. That flavor is still there somewhere in my memories.
Basically, it was my grandparents' old house in Varanasi. It was all constructed with stone and cement, with large doors and large pillars. And so it's not completed yet, but whatever I knew and remembered about it is what I made it of.
Like favorite house, my grandparents' house. Here, if you open this, yeah, you can see now actually. Yeah. This is the place I used to play, and this is the tree. Grandpa used to sleep here, and his chair, and all my childhood memories I spent here.
The place where we used to stay in the summer when I was growing up, my father was in the merchant navy, so I recreated basically an area in the ship, in the cargo ship where he used to work. I recreated that. So it was basically like the living quarters, which was like a bedroom and a living room with a pantry, and then we used to spend all our time on the deck. So basically, like, this is where we spend most of our time.
It is always a challenge to work with students from a different discipline. It also helps to simplify one's own ideas about space. Space is something we treat it as we deal with sex. We know it's there, but we don't really talk about it. And it finds representation in literature, films, arts. We live in them, but we refuse to recognize the importance and relevance it has in our personal lives. We had a trip to Meetakali village, which is an urban village which is slowly being engulfed by the real estate development all around it. The students were asked to produce one photograph and 5 to 10 lines on their perception of that particular space.
मेरे लिए ड्रीम हाउस की कंसेप्ट ये है कि ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे मैं जो चाहे मेरी मर्ज़ी से कर सकूँ और वहाँ पे कोई रोक टोक ना हो. बेसिकली यहाँ पे लिविंग रूम, किचन बड़ा है क्योंकि आई लाइक कुकिंग. फिर मेरा काम करने का एक वर्किंग स्पेस, एक बेडरूम और एक जिम.
Since I make a lot of patterns, I wanted to be inspired from that. So this looks like a honeycomb. If you look it like this, it looks like a honeycomb. It has lots of glass windows and a lot of open spaces. and a lovely kitchen.
The backside of my house would be overlooking the hills, and the front would be my tiny little farm, which I grow my vegetables and all in. I have a small herb garden, my own studio where I could work, and a lot of natural light.
The idea is based on the fact that the common space is the most important part, and the idea of a family revolves around the idea that people come together and share the same space. So the entire ground floor, which is the largest space in the house, is a common space for everybody to share, and it is a mixture of the kitchen and the dining room and the drawing room. And then you come to the first floor. The first floor is basically the living spaces. There are only two rooms in this house. Each one has their own bathroom. The idea is that spaces are also, you don't have a separate room for a child or a separate room for an individual. You have rooms for units of families, and you have spaces inside the house where if anybody needs isolation or their own space, they can actually go and inhabit that space. And so the third floor is that space. The third floor is a space which is basically a study and a library and everything combined, and it's a huge space where people can actually go and have their own corner or have their own region where they can have their own privacy and their own private space whenever they need it.
So I built a house that was dealing with my state of mind right now. So that's this. It's located in the middle of a paddy field, and it doesn't have any walls, and it's basically very one with nature, and it works in a way that it's open for everybody to come to, but it's also isolated in its own way.
And as far as I can remember, I used to love climbing trees and check out the entire area from a height. So my house is built on the face of a cliff, and this is the approach, and these are different floors of the house. So basically when you approach the house, you just see one room, and after you get inside, then the entire house out over here. And it's supposed to be based on a face of a cliff, and I think that's my dream house.
This is the parking area, and here's the garden, the tennis court, and ऊपर भी roof garden वगैरह मैंने बनाया है, and plus में there are like 5 different rooms और circular shape में है, and shapes कोई define नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा. So there you can see recreational room, bedroom plus library, guest room plus bathroom. There's one empty room. जब कुछ होना करने को, अपने आप से बात करने का दिल हो, तो यार यहाँ पे बैठो आके. And this is kitchen plus bar, my favorite area. And this is music plus movies room. So this is like my idea of अभी के लिए hypothetical dream house.